All right, so was using my wet tile saw from Ridgid. Motor stopped working. It was binding up. I tapped on it and I saw sparks flying out the back here. So I took out the motor brushes and one of them was completely destroyed. All the carbon came off of it. And I was left with just the wire and this piece here. So I had one of these routers and it takes the same brush. So just gonna use this till I get some new ones in. So yeah, if anybody's having that issue, check the motor brushes first before you go out and buy a new saw or send it back, because it would be a simple fix. You can find these on eBay or Amazon for like 12 bucks for a 4-pack. And if you have one of these routers and you can't wait, you can always use the one from that, put it in the saw. So that's your tip for today.